In times of conflict, unity among Muslims is crucial. Join us as we explore valuable lessons from the Quran on how to stand together in unity during challenging times. Unity among Muslims is emphasized throughout the Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commands us to hold fast to the rope of Allah and not to be divided. The Quran teaches us the importance of brotherhood and sisterhood in Islam. The Quran provides guidance on resolving conflicts and disputes peacefully, reminding us to seek mediation and reconciliation rather than resorting to violence. During times of hardship, Muslims are encouraged to support and help one another. This unity strengthens our community and brings us closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The Quran inspires us to stand against injustice and oppression, united as one ummah. Together, we have the strength to make a difference and uphold justice.